left, left, left.
Left foot stomps and the right one calls, echoing steps down the widest halls. A rhythm rises as the pavement sings, marching forward as the drumbeat rings. We walk to the sound, oh, the boots and the brass. Together we rise in a unified mass. Step by step we carry the goal, walking to the beat that ignites the soul.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Hey! Left, right, left, right.
Sun on the asphalt painting trails of heat, our strides align to the marching beat. The world's a parade and we're leading on, feet to the rhythm till the road is gone. We walk to the sound, oh, the boots and the brass. Together we rise in a unified mass. Step by step we carry the gold, walking to the beat that ignites the soul. Through puddles and gravel and shimmering haze, conquering valleys and steep mountain days. If the path falters, our pace never will. Forward we move with an unshakable thrill.
Hey, left, right, left, right.
Nightfall can't slow us, stars light the scene. Footfalls parade under silvery beams. The journey is constant, the anthem alive. With every step forward, it's meant to survive.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left,